Hi guys, welcome to the video. This is my radio controlled Lancaster, and for a few years now I've been wanting to get some onboard footage. I managed to get some off my BC10 a few years ago and that looked really good, but when I've tried to do it on my Lancaster it's just pushed the balance out too much. So what I decided to do this time was mount it and then add some extra weight up front and get the balance right before risking it to the air. And it worked really well, as you'll see from the video. One of the reasons for doing this is this was filmed on the 28th of May 2018, and in June I was doing a tour of Germany, and we was going to Berlin, Dresden, Colditz, and the final part of it, which was the main reason I wanted to go, was a visit to the Mohne Dam, where the Lancaster had one of its most famous raids. And the thing that struck me about the Mohne Dam was how stunningly beautiful it was. It just makes you realise how stupid war is. But, you know, there we go. So here's some footage, and I'll let you enjoy the footage, and I'll put some shots of the Mohne Dam at the end with some video and some stills.
So got enough speed, it'd be like a bouncing bomb. Put it in a ball, clear ball. Got to be a right thing to play back with it. That's the last one done, yes.
I originally got this Lancaster from Priory Models around about 2006, but it's had a few prangs and rebuilds and upgrades, and so she's well over 10 years old now, and it's a 72-inch wingspan, which is about 1.8 metres, and she now flies on brushless motors, and there's two 4000 3S batteries up front. I only wanted to put a smaller battery in, but I needed it for the weight, but she does fly really well. Quite easy to fly, it's not the sort of plane you can chuck around. If you're interested in seeing the build of this model, I'll put a link to my website where I've got the full build and some of the upgrades as well. The kit's no longer available. It was a foam veneered kit, and on the whole it went together quite well, and it's stood the test of time as well, so can't be bad. I don't think there's many companies now offering Lancasters. I think RcKeith did one a while back, but The only real way I think you can get one now is if you build one from one of the Tony Niehaus kits, which is a lot bigger model than this one, and you know, it's a real builder's model. I've had a few of Tony Niehaus's kits and they're absolutely brilliant, so if you're into doing that, then you know, it's a good option. Right, so let's see if we can get her landed without too many shenanigans. Keep them wings straight. Let's have another look at it from a different viewpoint. As you can see, I was struggling to keep the wings straight, but I got there in the end, no disasters. And the camera on board is one of these cheap Chinese GoPro clones, and it only cost me about £35, and it came with loads of brackets and everything, and I think it does a good job for what it is, and if I were to lose it, it's not a vast amount of money like a GoPro. So I finally made it to the dam. It's been one of the things I've been wanting to do for quite a number of years, and luckily this year in 2018 I managed to get there. And my overriding memory of the dam is just what a beautiful place it is. But we had some really good weather that day, and this is probably the best day of all our holiday. And I think we're up to getting towards 28-30 degrees. And this is a boat ride you can do, €20, and it takes you right out on the Mohne reservoir, right round the lake, and you can get a good view of what it must have looked like for those guys in them Lancaster Bombers trying to line up on them two towers. We had a great day there, and I'll never forget it.